Ever wondered about that white, spongy ingredient you've seen in your vegan friends' dishes? That's tofu. Originating from China over 2,000 years ago, tofu, or bean curd as it's sometimes known, has become a staple in many Asian dishes. From stir-fries to soups, it's prized for its ability to absorb flavors and its high nutritional value. It's not just for vegans or vegetarians either. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into the world of tofu. Ever thought of a complete protein source that's vegan? Well, tofu has got you covered. You see, tofu is a bit of a superhero in the world of proteins. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, and before you ask, yes, these amino acids are indeed essential. They're the building blocks of life, vital for creating and repairing body tissues, including those bulging biceps and powerhouse pecs. But it's not just about muscle. These amino acids are also crucial for overall body maintenance. They help with things like enzyme creation, hormone regulation, and immune system support. In short, they're busy keeping you healthy and strong from the inside out. And the best part? Unlike most high-protein foods, tofu doesn't come with a side of cholesterol or saturated fat. So you get all the muscle-building, body-boosting benefits without any of the drawbacks. A protein-packed meal without the meat? Tofu makes it possible. Who doesn't want to enjoy a meal without worrying about the calories? Tofu is your answer. This humble bean curd is a low-calorie option that packs a serious nutritional punch. Despite its relatively low-calorie content, tofu doesn't skimp on vital nutrients. It's chock full of vitamins and minerals essential for your body to function optimally. Take a bite of tofu, and you're munching on a good dose of calcium, crucial for healthy bones and teeth. It's also a source of manganese, a mineral that plays a key role in managing the body's metabolism and promoting bone health. Let's not forget the selenium, an antioxidant that defends your body against harmful free radicals, and iron, vital for red blood cell production. Tofu is the epitome of getting more for less. More nutrition, less calories. It's like having a cake that's actually good for you. So with tofu, you can have your cake and eat it too. Want to boost your heart health and reduce the risk of certain diseases? Look no further than tofu. It's not just a protein powerhouse. Tofu is rich in isoflavones, a type of plant estrogen with incredible health benefits. Isoflavones have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. They help to reduce LDL cholesterol, often labeled the bad cholesterol, that can lead to heart disease if levels are too high. But it doesn't stop there. Isoflavones also show promise in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. And for those going through the change of life, isoflavones have been found to alleviate some menopausal symptoms like hot flashes, making this time a bit more comfortable. So with each bite of tofu, you're not just enjoying a versatile, tasty food, you're giving your body a dose of heart-healthy, cancer-fighting, symptom-soothing isoflavones. Still think tofu is just a bland white block? Looking for a food that's both satisfying and weight loss friendly? Tofu is the star. This humble bean curd doesn't just pack a nutritional punch, it's also a champion when it comes to weight management. How, you ask? Well, tofu is low in fat and yet high in fiber. This combination can help you feel full and content, even while you're consuming fewer calories. So whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or simply maintain a healthy weight, tofu can be your go-to superfood. But the magic of tofu doesn't stop there. Its versatility is truly impressive. From stir-fries to smoothies, tofu can seamlessly blend into a myriad of dishes. Its neutral flavor makes it a wonderful canvas for your culinary creativity. Whether you grill it, bake it, or blend it, tofu always delivers. So next time you're in the kitchen, why not experiment with tofu? Tofu isn't just healthy, it's a culinary chameleon too. So, what have we learned today about tofu? It's a powerhouse of protein providing all 9 essential amino acids. It's a low-calorie food, yet rich in nutrients like calcium, manganese, selenium, and iron. It's loaded with isoflavones, promoting heart health, and possibly reducing certain cancer risks. Plus, it's a weight management aid, thanks to its low fat and high fiber content. And let's not forget its culinary versatility. With all these benefits, tofu truly deserves a spot in your diet.